Welcome back. JD here. Lesson 5. Until now everything we wrote ran top to bottom in one stretch. Today we learn to name a piece of code and call it whenever we want. 2 flavors FUNC for code that returns a value, and sub for code that just acts. Let us start with a simple function. FUNC twice of x. The word return hands a value back to whoever called us. ENDFUNC closes the block. Then we call twice 3 times with different numbers and print each result. Functions can take more than one parameter. Two parameters separated by a comma. Same idea. For a subroutine you skip return entirely. A sub performs an action and ends. Useful for tasks like printing a banner. One sub called twice with different names. Notice the call site looks the same as a function call name in front, arguments in parentheses. Variables defined inside a function or a sub are local. They vanish when the call returns. That keeps your code clean and predictable. For the finale, here is a classic. Fibonacci numbers, computed by a function that calls itself. Fib of n. If n is less than 2, return n, otherwise return fib of n-1, plus fib of n-2. The first 11 Fibonacci numbers 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on. Recursion in 3 lines of jdBasic. That is lesson 5. FUNC for values, sub for actions, parameters to pass data in, and recursion when a function calls itself. In lesson 6 we will look at maps, jdBasic's key-value data type, similar to a dictionary in other languages. Until then, keep coding. Bye.